Hola a todos y bienvenidos a nuestra canal de YouTube. Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Okay, so in this particular video, we'll be learning some numbers that is up to 100. In the very first video of ours, we already learned numbers up till 10. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it to have a basic knowledge about numbers. Then for the second thing, we'll be learning the masculine and feminine concept in Spanish, and it is really important, why. That also we'll get to know once the video gets started. And for the third thing, we'll be learning some colors as well. Also, if you want any extra study material or some exercises for your practice, you can always DM us on the given WhatsApp number. It's already mentioned in the description and you can see it on the screen as well. So you can just DM us for whatever you need, okay? And as of private classes, we do provide the private classes for Spanish as well. For that also, you have to DM us on the same number. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Let's begin. Okay. So now we'll be learning numbers, and since we already learned numbers till 10, so you can just repeat till 10 with me, okay? So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these were the numbers till 10. Now from 1 to 15, it's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So these were the numbers till 15. Now from 16 to 20, DSC. DSC is common in all the numbers. So how will we pronounce it? DSC 6, DSC 7, DSC 8, DSC 9 y 20. So if you see, then from 16 to 19, it's the same thing, 6, 7, 8, 9, but we have DSC before them, okay? So DSC is common from 16 to 19 and then just normal. 6, 7, 8, 9, right? It's like that. Then comes 20. Now from here, you have to keep in mind that from 21 to 29, 20 is common. And then normal, numbers 1 to 10. How? 1 to 9, sorry. How? Let's see. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 y 29. So it's like that, okay? Now we have 30. For 30, it's 30. From now on, it's common for every other tense that we have, okay? Like 31, 32. E means and, as we know in Spanish, right? So E just separates it. And now we just have to, what do we have to do is 30. So till 9 it will be 30 only. Like till 39 it will be 30. And then the numbers from 1 to 9. So it will be like 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 y 39. Okay? Now comes 40. For 40 we use 40. And the same thing follows. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and so on. Then comes 50. What is it? 50. For 50 also 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay? Till 9, like 59. Okay? Then comes 60. Till now for 60 also 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. For 70, that is 70, 71, 72, 73 and so on. For 80, that is 80, again 81, 82, 83 and so on. Now for 90, it's 90. So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. 100 is your 100, and that is where we'll stop right now, because it's right to actually learn the numbers till here only for now. So these are the numbers till 100. You'll have to practice, and you have to keep in mind that we have to learn the numbers first of all till 15, because they are different, okay? And from 16 to 19, it's DSC, okay? And from 20 to 29, from 20, okay? So 20 is 20, but from 21 to 29, we do use 20, but it's not 20. The letter E basically changes to I in all those, okay? So it's 21, like that, okay? So you have to keep that in mind. And from 30, that is 30, we have the same thing, okay? So you have to only learn 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and so on, okay? So these were the number till 100. And for doing an exercise or to practice more, you can either DM us on WhatsApp if you want more exercises, or as you can see that there is the screen, that on the screen you can see, right, there's an exercise, and in this exercise, once you've learned all the spellings of these numbers, you can write them down, okay? You can practice them, and then once you've learned the spellings, so to have a grab over it, have a hold over it, you can do this exercise of jumbled numbers, okay? In each of these options, you have jumbled numbers, their spelling actually. So you can just do this exercise, and as of answers, you can see the answers right now. So once you've done that exercise, you can check your answers from here only, okay? Now, as of masculine and feminine concept, it's a very important concept. Why? Because in English we have the, and it is common for describing everything: the table, the chair, the sky, the moon, the sun, right? There's no concept of masculine or feminine that much in English. There exists this concepts, but it's not that much, right? But in Spanish, understand that each and everything in Spanish has a masculine and a feminine version, okay? So you have to identify which one is it. So for learning the masculine and feminine, first of all, masculine is known as masculino and feminine is known as femenino, okay? Now for masculino, it's L, like the that we use in English, like the sun, the moon, right? For that, in masculine things we use L, and for the feminine we use la. Now first of all, how do we differentiate between the masculine and feminine in Spanish? It's like in most of the cases, it's not necessary that it will be the same case in everywhere, but in most of the cases, the words that are ending with A, generally are feminine, okay? It's considered that the words that are ending with A are generally feminine, and all the other words are masculine, okay? To understand this concept, since everything has an exception, so in this case also we have exceptions, but when we learn the Spanish in this whole process, there comes a point that at one moment that if this word is masculine or feminine. And this I'm talking only about exceptions, because practice makes a man perfect, okay? So let's just go on with the examples of masculine first. So el médico, el mono, el papel, el libro, el bolígrafo, el sol. Now you can see that these are not ending with A, okay? So all of these are masculino. Now let's move over to femenino. La mesa, la silla, la luna, la estrella. Now you can see that all of these are ending with A, so they are feminine. Now let's understand some exceptions as well, okay? El aroma. Now in this case, can you see that it's ending with A, but there is a pronombre. Pronombre is like its pronoun is el. Why? You'll ask that, no? So there is no basically logic to it, but it's just that, it's an exception. So with our practice, we'll get to know these words as well. So el aroma, el clima, el día, el cometa. All these are masculine, but they are ending with A. Now let's go through some more examples like la foto, la solución, la disco, la mano. All these are masculine words, but they have a pronombre la and they are not ending with A. Okay, so these are some of the exceptions to it. In the upcoming videos, when we learn nationalities and professions, then you will actually get a brief of this particular concept too. As of colors, we should begin now. Okay, so colors is my most favorite topic. You can just repeat these colors after me. Red is rojo. Orange is naranja. Yellow es amarillo. Green es verde. Blue es azul. Purple es lila. Pink es rosa. Brown es marrón. White es blanco. Black es negro. And apart from these colors, if you want to say that light or dark, we have the versions of like light pink or dark brown, like that, no? So for light, we use claro o clara. And for dark, we use oscuro or oscura. Now, let's see how does it work. For red, rojo. So if you want to say light red, so how will we say? Claro rojo. Okay? Or oscuro rojo. Or rosa clara. Rosa oscura. Okay? Okay? So these are the colors, and now we'll practice these colors with some exercises as well. So now you'll see some images on the screen and you have to answer what is the color of the screen. Speak out loud and then check your answer. Okay? ¿Cuál es el color de esta rosa? Sí, correcto. Es rosa. ¿Cuál es el color de este loro? Sí, correcto. Es verde. ¿Cuál es el color de este limón? Correcto. Es amarillo. ¿Cuál es el color de este gato? Correcto. Es blanca. ¿Cuál es el color de este árbol? Correcto. Es marrón. ¿Cuál es el color de este nieve? Correcto. Es blanca. Okay, so moving further, we do have another exercise for you guys. And in this exercise, you must have understood that what you guys have to do, right? Okay, so as you can see that in this box, there are jumbled names of some colors. So you just have to find those names and you can pause your video to do the exercise, since the answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Okay, so these are the correct answers and I hope that you've all done them correct. Alright, so here comes the end of the video and thank you for watching the video till now, and I really hope that I taught well. Let's know your views in the comment section. Okay, do like, share and subscribe the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too. Okay, and let's meet in another video of ours. Till then, ciao amigos, adios.